Hi guys, welcome to my new video and back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about something new. We didn't do that before because we hadn't situation like this before. Today I found e-scooter roller, how you call it, I don't know, that's Elektrofeinsteinzeugung. It doesn't matter. But what's really happening? I saw that this thing cost around 300 euro, more or less. And this guy sold me for 50. So something smells really bad. I don't know what's happening, but the seller was really kind. He said that this scooter just stopped, doesn't work and all that things, blah blah blah, and he took my money and everything. But when I came home, I saw something strange. I will show you. First, I checked the battery. It's really low. I tried to charge it and I don't get any voltage here. So I thought maybe something really happening here. When I opened, I saw that all wires are cut. Seller told me that this scooter was working, everything was well, everything was good, and just suddenly pop, stopped. So he lied to me. He lied to me really bad, but we'll try to repair it. Maybe we succeed. So you can see all cables are cut. So I will try to reconnect them. But colors of the wires, it's not the same. So for example, we don't have black wire here. So look. Oh, I'm lying. Oh man, I start to lie. We have black wires. Oh my god. We have 6 and 8 cables. So to charge battery from here to here and here. So these two, wait, I need to. Okay. So we have red, green, yellow we don't have, purple we don't have, blue we have. No, that doesn't match. I need to take these two wires, charging wires. I will separate them. I can put this thing inside and I will try to find which cables are for charging here. Where are you? Here. We will find these wires. Okay, this is for charging. Gray one and purple. Gray and purple. This is for charging. We will find out which is plus and minus a little later. Now I need to focus on this another few wires. So this is charging and we have 4 wires here and 6 wires there. So exactly what exactly? We can take a risk, as always. We always take a risk. Sometimes we have luck, sometimes we don't have luck. Sometimes luck, sometimes sucks. Let's do it. Red, green to green. I don't know exactly what these two wires do. So we have blue, we have black. I will put it on black. And we have white and yellow. Okay. Risk is too big. We can burn this board with display and controller, and I don't know. What should I do? I will do it. I will turn the display another way so I can see. Okay, what's happening if I plug this thing here? And when I press this button, nothing. Why? Yes, batteries empty. I need to find out which is plus and minus so I can put this scooter on charge. As we can see, we have already red and black, and here we have brown and white. If I put that like this inside, so white is plus. Wait, white? No, that's white, and there is gray. That's interesting. So let's check one more time. Is it white or no? How is this? Yes, because of this adapter. Because of that, is another color. We know now that white is plus, so gray is plus. Here we can see red, white. White is plus too. Okay. Okay. Now we will try to charge it. So I don't know. I checked the battery and it's really low. Oh, we have 14 volts. I don't know. Some chargers won't charge if battery is so low, and we'll try. I'm sorry. Excuse me, please. Do you like my setup? I made this thing. It's not so nice, but it's changing colors. So this is my laptop, speakers, so that needs to go right there. So it's nice. I really like these lights back and inside. And now the moment of the truth. It's coming for you. Let's put these cables together, bro. This one goes there. This one goes there. And action. Charger is here. Green light is on. If I put that here inside, it's gonna explode. So pray for me, people. Pray, just pray, and nothing. There's nothing to say. 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay. It's red, so it's charging. That's nice. That's really nice from you. But here we can't see really nothing here. Hey, wait. The charger is green. Battery fully charged or something like that. No, it's not full. I took this out and again in, and again it's red. But here nothing happens. Look here. Look this thing. Again it's green. So battery is dead. That I can tell. Maybe it's charger, maybe it's battery, maybe I don't know. Let's take this out and see how many. Can you see? No, you can't. 37. So fast. I don't believe you. So big apologize to you guys because I stopped recording this video because I was really mad at this guy. I made big mistake, huge mistake. In this video maybe you will see a smoke or something like that. Oh! No way, man! No way!